Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So this past weekend, my friend Camille from Morpho Soaps did a soap that kind of gave me the idea. I'm not going to be doing exactly his, but it gave me the idea. And I'll be using layers of green. So I'm going to do 3 layers of white and green in the pot swirl, and each layer will be a little bit lighter. So we're going to start with the dark green on the bottom, which is Emerald Mica from Be Scented. Nice dark green. And that will be in the pot with white. And of course, the white's titanium dioxide. For the middle green layer, I'll use Nurture Soap's Green Vibrance, which is a little dark or a little bit lighter than I want. So I'm going to darken it with with Brambleberries Chrome Green Oxide. And I did that in last week's soap and really like that green. And then for the light green on the top, I will be using Nurture Soap's Emerald Green. Now it's funny, both of these companies call theirs Emerald Green, but look how light Nurture Soaps is and look how dark Be Scented's is. But anyway, different company, whatever. And since this is green, I am going to scent this with a favorite, Mad About Mint from Nurture Soap. I've used this many times over the years. It's the closest thing to real essential oil I think I've ever found. Behaves like a dream and really holds its scent. And as long as the batter behaves, which I think it will, I'm going to keep the layers flat instead of texture. And I'm going to do a gold mica line in between with Nurture Soap's Shimmer Gold. So give me a minute to get set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm ready for the bottom layer. So I have titanium dioxide mixed in just a little bit of hot water. For the white, and we'll start with our dark green. And this is pretty potent, so I think a slightly heaping teaspoon should be more than enough, but we'll find out. Stir it in to be sure. And yes, it is enough. And we'll hand stir our TD first. Put our fragrance in it. And give us a buzz to finish emulsifying it and brighten that TD up. Let's do our in the pot swirl. So about knocked you over. Ooh, just about knocked you over. And let's get this into the mold quickly. Well, it's still pourable, so we can hopefully have a nice smooth layer. Look at that pour. Wasn't that beautiful? That was a good pour. All right, I will let that settle and let that set up, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, to prevent this from being an hour-long video, I did a lot of behind-the-scenes work. You all have watched me mix colors. You watched me stick blend, stir them in. So I went ahead and got everything mixed up, got the fragrance in. It's ready for our middle in the pot swirl. This will hopefully be our medium green. Go ahead and put the mica line on. It stayed nice and flat. So here we go with our middle pour. Nice and flat, just like I was hoping. I'll be back for the top layer. Okay, and last but definitely not least, our top layer. And you know what? I'll be back because I didn't stick blend that. Let's try that again. That white just did not look bright enough, and the head of the stick blender was clean. Here we go with the pour. And I think I'm going to leave that top just like it is. So, there we go. That is what I have for today. And I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Okay, we're back to cut our soap. And on this one, I'm really excited about it. The pour went very well. And I think we're going to have some really nice definitions. And we got 3 distinct greens, which is what I was hoping. So, let's find out. Oh yeah, very, very nice. Very nice. Distinct mica lines. Now that green on the bottom looks a little more blue. But that is quite alright. Very, very nice. So I will cut a few from each log and see what they look like cut into bars. But yeah, this looks terrific. Yeah, very nice. Really nice prominent mica lines. Very distinct colors. But boy, it is strange how that what is supposed to be dark green on the bottom really looks blue. Curious to see if it stays that way. I don't really care if it does. It's not a problem at all. let's see what the other one looks like, which I imagine will be similar. Yep, sure is. So I will finish cutting these off camera and get a couple of pictures of them like I always do, but I'm really happy with these. Very happy with these. And that's what I have this week, so thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed, and I'll see you next week. Bye, everybody.